everyone's either favorite or most annoying firework. We got the Saturn missile battery, but this time we got huge. Take a look at them. It's only a 20 shot, but they're world-class fireworks. I wanted to take a look at these because I've always seen them, and they say big, but I'm wondering if it's going to be the same thing, just a little bit different end effect. So yeah, flammable with report, shoots a whistle in the air. So figure take a look at it and make sure every time Saturn missiles have this little plastic cover, take them off, because if you do not, you will have a wonderful firework mishap. So always read before you light any firework off. Everyone should know that. But we'll take a look at it this time. Huge Saturn missile battery, 20 shots by world-class fireworks. Let's go take a look. Huge 25 Saturn missile, or 20. That was pretty good for only 20 shots.